forecast right there. Thank you for sharing with us. Tom Poza, thanks. Coming up on our next hour.
He hears you.
Keep telling him.
But he's there. He's everywhere.
That, I can't see his eyes.
No, if you saw his eyes, you'd go blind.
How?
Well, because God is very magnificent. He's an awesome looking man, and if you saw him, you would probably go blind.
Well, tell him
Somebody in the Bible saw him in his face. He had to cover up his face because he was glowing so much.
Can I see him in the Bible?
Tell him, are you going to tell God to make it stop raining?
He can't hear me that hard.
He can hear.
Yeah, he can hear you. He's listening right now. Tell him.
Stop the rain!
Don't yell at God now. Be nice.
Say, stop the rain, please.
Stop the rain, please.
Say, please, God.
Please, God. He won't.
Do you...
He won't.
He won't. We'll say, well, we're going to go to the aquarium then.
He hears you.